Flavor infusing water is a great way to add a little H2O into your diet plan this year. Did you know that your body is composed of about 60% water, and that water increases bodily functions such as digestion, circulation, transport of nutrients, and maintains a body temperature? So maybe your New Year's resolution of adding more water to your diet is really important. However, you may not want to just add lemon juice to your water. There are a lot of great fresh juice and vegetable options that you can add to water to change the flavor profile to meet your taste options. Some of the most obvious choices would be citrus fruits. You've got blood oranges, limes, lemons. You can even do apple slices. Those are all wonderful choices to add into an infuser to add flavor to your waters. But have you ever thought about adding fresh herbs into your water? Things like mint, thyme, sage, those are all wonderful choices as well. I personally like to do a nice citrus blend where I mix tangerines, limes, fresh orange juice, and then maybe some cilantro. Cilantro is one of those herbs that not everyone loves, but I personally like the flavor profile it brings to water. One of the easiest ways to infuse your water is to purchase a fruit infusion pitcher. It has a removable fruit infusion rod, which can be filled with fresh fruits and vegetables to infuse your water and then be removed easily. So you can make great combinations at home like strawberry basil, or a spa-inspired creation like cucumber lime mint. Or maybe you like more of an exotic flavor and might want to try something like blackberry sage ginger. Another great tip I'd like to share is if you aren't able to grow your own herbs outside during the winter, maybe you could plant some inside in a nice container in a window garden in your kitchen. When planting your indoor herb garden, be sure to pick things that you can utilize both in your waters and in cooking. I would like to recommend a nice Thai basil. It has a nice licoricey flavor that is great in stir fries, and it also tastes great in infused waters. Also, don't forget about rosemary, sage, oregano, thyme. All of those herbs match beautifully with all kinds of different fruit flavors and vegetable flavors. Another great tip is if you don't have a fruit infusing pitcher, is you could actually infuse your water by creating ice cubes made with herbs in ice cube trays. So go ahead and create your Sunnytime Spa citrus cooler. You could create that with spa ice cubes with herbs infused inside, and add some slices of fresh oranges and cucumbers. Or maybe you want to do a minty mixed berry and you just drop in slices of strawberries and mint along with a few frozen blueberries, and that would make a perfect infused water as well. Another great tip is I like to freeze fruit and use them as ice cubes. I mentioned freezing blueberries and using them as ice cubes. You can also freeze grapes. Another great way to keep your water cold after a hard workout would be to use a seltzer water and stir in an all-fruit popsicle. This is a great treat after a hard workout and low calorie to boot. You could even puree up or slice up some fresh fruit if you feel like it just needs a little bit more of a kick. To see all these recipes and more, please visit our website at www.genrondesigns.com.